Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Wednesday, October 18th? For the record, today is Tuesday, October 17th. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So, like I said yesterday, FTSE kind of difficult for the moment. Very corrective price action, but it looks like the short wave B or the shallow wave B might be playing out. So I told you that this could happen. So normally the wave B area is situated right here. These are also the areas that I wait for before I enter a trade. But now in this particular case, it looked like the corrective structure could have been finished. And by looking at the other indices, I was also expecting like we could have a reversal here in the FTSE from this low, and so now it looks like this is happening. However, it's kind of early to already call this a successful reversal because for the moment we did not really took off. It might be the beginning. Like the beginning is always a bit hard. Like you can see here, bulls and bears are still fighting, and so yeah, could be the start of a wave one. But at the same time, so a wave one of a wave C, then of course, because I believe we are working here on an ABC structure. And we already took out the high right here, the wave A high. So that makes me believe that the wave B is in and that we will see further upside as a wave C. And then at some moments, this impulsive wave 3 should take off. But yeah, as long as we do not see this, we cannot really we are not really sure that this wave C will play out. The alternative would be that we're still working on our wave A, so that we have 5 waves from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I do not really like this scenario because it looks like this structure here has nothing to do anymore with this. It looks like a different cycle. So I prefer to call for the wave A high made here, shallow wave B, and then a wave C to the upside. Of course, this scenario gets invalidated as soon as we take out this low. So assume that we take out this low from here, this low right here, then it means we are working on our wave B down. But for now, that's not the case. And if we see further upside, then it should be the wave C. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.